Hi students, I hope you guys are enjoying the Triple Five Communication Practice Session. I'm back with all of you with a new practice session. So let's go to the first round, and that is a speaking practice. So the tongue twister of the day is I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. It is written below the screen. You can copy it, learn it, and you can send it to me. And the second round is structure making round. And today's structure is वह रोता रहता है तुम बोलते रहते हो माँ खाना बनाती रहती है. If an action is going on continuously, listen now, whether it is in present or past or future, just you can use go or goes on plus V4, or in past went on plus V4. Like वो रोता रहता है, he goes on weeping. वो रोता रहता था, he went on weeping. तुम बोलते रहते हो, you go on speaking. तुम बोलते रहते थे, you went on speaking. So the next structure is तुम खेलते ही रहते हो, वह सोता ही रहता है. If you want to speak this kind of sentence into English, you have to use nothing but plus V1. Means वह रोता ही रहता है, he does nothing but weep. वह बोलता ही रहता है, he does nothing but speak. तुम सोते ही रहते हो, you do nothing but sleep. So if you learn this kind of sentences, so now I have two sentences for you, and the sentence is वह मोबाइल ही चलाता रहता है. Second sentence is वह बकवास करता रहता है. So these are the two sentences. The ball is in the court. You have to write it up and send it to me. This is in the comment box. Let's go to the last round, and that is listening practice and writing practice. So today's personality is Anand Mahindra. He is really great legal personality and an experienced personality. He's a good speaker as well. Really, it's going to be very amazing and beneficial for all of you. So please watch him and learn a lot of things. Stay connected with English Station, where you get complete English solution. Love you. Bye bye. Take care.